Right, Tim Berge. Good morning, Tim.
Hey, Stevie. Good morning. And that is correct. We are on a bike ride. Today is a glorious trip from Taitung to Pending to Kaohsiung to Tainan. And it's hot and sunny down here, and we're having a great time.
And cycling situation is good. Just don't worry, give you love and hope, cheer you up. And it will be in Luye Highland. So before lunch, we got two rest points. And the first one is a show.
Kids in need. I mean, there's no greater cause than helping out kids who need help. You're doing this all for a great cause.
And that's what it comes back to, you know, that's what it comes back to. That's why we're all here. We get a lot out of it ourselves, but it's more about putting back in. So it's really rewarding. Can't wait to go and see those children in the orphanage. And I think I speak on behalf of everybody in the ride that we're hugely looking forward to that moment.
Checking out, what a specimen.
What we're living in, let me tell ya. Well, it's a world that man can eat at all. When things are big that should be small. Who can tell what magic spells we'll be doing for us? And I'm giving up my love to this world, only to be told I can see, I can breathe, no, not where we'll be. And nothing's gonna change the way we live, 'cause we can always take but never give. And now the things are changing for the worse. See, whoa, it's a crazy world we're living in, and I just can't see that half of us immersed in sin is all we have to give these futures.
Thank you so much, buddy. Real privilege being with you guys. Likewise, second year.
Yes.
Okay.
See you next year.
We'll see you next year.
Of course.
Yeah.
Stronger.
Take care, man.